Hey, Stryper fans, how's it going? Today I spent some time, had to replace the speakers in my car, the front speakers. And what better way to do a sound check than with some Stryper? Yeah, put some Pioneer 6.5s in the front of my car. Sound pretty good. And I don't go with factory EQ. No. As a former sound tech, I've run sound actually for some pretty good Christian bands out there. A band called Mortal. They changed their name to Fold Zandura. Band from the 90s that was just a really good band. A band called Imagine This and Third Day. I did some work for Third Day, so had the honor and the privilege of running sound for those guys. So let's crank it, see what these sound like.
Exactly who you are. If you had the proper way of cutting with your knife and leaving scars.
Not bad.
You don't even know me, but you think you You continue to show me that you
Yeah, Stryper's one of those bands, man. If you're gonna set your EQs on your stereo, you can't go wrong with Stryper. They have such a dynamic sound. I don't like a whole lot of bass, not a lot of highs. I like a mixture. I like to be able to hear every single instrument. So if you want some of my EQ settings, I can help you out with that. Also, if you have a 2009 or 10 Toyota Corolla and you want to know how to replace the factory speakers, you can hit me up as well, because they are not screwed in. The factory speakers are actually, they used rivets of all things. So just get with me, I'll help you out on that. But yeah, sounding pretty good. Stryper, rock and roll.